Hello everyone, and you're so much welcome to today's tutorial. I still remain your shoemaking made easy tutor, Oturule Mochibola. Today specifically, we are going to be looking at how do you add simple accessory such as what I have here to your footwear, maybe to your heel, maybe to your high or low heel, it doesn't really matter. So if you're watching my channel for the first time, all we do is make shoemaking easy and simple for you. So go ahead and like this video, go ahead and share this video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and press the notification bell. Each time I publish a video, you will be notified. Sit back and I'm gonna be right over.
All right, to actually fix the accessory, the first thing you need to do is to first of all ask yourself, where am I going to be placing my beautiful accessory? Now, I'm going to be using this imitation pair. They actually come as a rivet. So they have, as you can see, they come with this, and this is a pair like that. That's how the set comes. Also, this other one too comes as a rivet, and then you can easily fix them right there. So what I'm going to first of all do is locate the placement on my shoe last. So you can go ahead and place your pattern template right there to be sure of where exactly to place them, so that you will not place at the wrong spot. So these are the things you make sure you check out. Like this is at the point here, and one is here, another one is also here. So it means that it should not disturb the feet of whoever you are creating for. So that is the first thing. So what do I do after that? I'm just going to go ahead and then place it right here and then mark out those spots. So this is the first one, and that first one is more like is this particular imitation pair, and then I'm going to be inserting this is what it comes with. It comes like this. So I bought a set like this one. It has different sizes. I think it's about $10. That is what I bought this for. So, and I bought it on AliExpress. You can check it out. It's imitation pair. You can see that this is half. It's not full, it's not round, it's half. There are some that are full one, you understand, that is not half like this. So just check it out, please. I know some of us will still be asking, please share us a link with that name. You can actually locate what you want. Imitation pair rivets. So that is all you need. So that, I'm going to actually place this at the back right here, and then this will be on top. Normally you can put this on your clothes as well, like on fabric. So normally I'm supposed to just press it down this way and it will stick there, but I'm still going to use my plier to press this down. So don't just use your plier to press it, or else you will break this. Now there is a setting tool for this particular imitation pair rivet, but for me, I have been able to improvise this process. All you need is get something to cushion the upper part, and then you press using your plier, and it will work perfectly well. So let's go. I'm just using my already made belt to do that. So don't forget, we are actually trying to add accessory to our beautiful heel slippers. So you can see it. I'm going to press it in, and you can see that it has gone flat down there, and this is what I have right here. So of course the other two side as well, I'm going to be putting this on the other two side, and for that, of course, I'm also going to be punching. I'm going to punch about 1 centimeter away, 1 centimeter away, because I'm punching because this is rather a big rivet. It's not small like this other one. So it's going to be up here, and I'm going to put the second part right at the back here. So this is the second part. That one too, you still have to press. So I'm still going to use this, put on top of it, and use my plier to press. Just make sure that it is centralized. So, and that is all. You can see I'm going to do the same thing here. Now let me show us how to arrange this properly. So what you want to do is place right here to know exactly where you want to start from. So make sure you have access for your, for your lacing. So what am I going to do? I'm going to first of all position on for the central, for the one at the center of my shoe lace, which is supposed to be the center of the foot. Now I have already done all of this on my pattern template because I wanted it to be very easy and simple. So let me show us what I did. Now this is the center. As you can see, this is the center. So now what did I do? What I did was, of course, at this center, for this particular center, in between here, I have about 1 centimeter. So I decided to actually, demarcate each of them just to serve as a guide for me. So what I did was, from here to here, I made use of about 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. Can you see that? So this is 2 centimeter. I measured another 1 centimeter. I measured 2 again, 1, 2. That was what I did. You understand? That was exactly what I did. Of course, this is about 1 centimeter. Like I said, this middle is 1 centimeter. So at the midpoint, I have about 0.5 here and 0.5 here. Now the reason is because I want to have, enough of those enough of my pair, enough of my accessory on top of it. You can decide to do this the way you like, but the fact still remains that you can actually, make yourself comfortable, positioning it the way you like. Don't forget, like I said, this is about $10. And if you look at equivalent to Nigerian currency and the equivalent of $1, to Naira, although they said it's about 950 now, it used to be 1,250, 1,200 naira, and it means one pair of this is going to cost about 100 naira. That's what it means. So you have to also count the cost of that if you are going to be placing it, you understand, on top of it. You have to count the cost. Yes, you definitely have to count the cost. So considering, the numbers you want to put here, which will also determine the price of your shoe lace. So like I said, I just measure 0.5 from that center. Then this is 2, 1, 2, 1, and so I arrange it. One is here, another one is here. I have another one in between here. I have one here, I have one here. But the bigger pair are the ones I actually put here, 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 and here. So you understand? So let me just place it while we continue. Don't forget that you are having left and right here. So you have to be very careful so that you do not put, right and left in and put them wrongly. Although it's a straight strap, so you might not have any issue with that. So let's go. So it means the middle is going to be having this. I hope it goes through. Just find something to use to do that. So now we have this. So this is entering into it. This is entering. As usual, I'm just going to press. So with this, we can definitely continue and mark all the necessary points. All right, now you can see what it finally looks like. So it's just like a ring toe heel slippers that you can simply make, and it will be looking so cute and unique on your customer's feet or on your feet if it's for personal use. All right, you can see what my final product looks like. Isn't this beautiful? All right, thank you once again for joining me today, and of course I am going to be seeing you in my next video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you haven't liked this video, can you please like this video, share this with your community, and let the learning continue.